Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Craigslist. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Craigslist application on your device. And after entering your location and zip code, you will be taken into the search page. If you already have an account and wish to log in, click on the account icon at the bottom section, and now you will be allowed to enter your email address. Just type in the email address that you have used while signing up for your account and click on the continue button. You will then have two different options. If you already have set up a password for your account, click on login with my Craigslist password. If you don't know your password, you can click on send me a link, which will send you an email from which you can simply click on the link to log in. If you have chosen your password, then just type in your account password within the password box and click on the login button. Once you click on login, you will be logged into your Craigslist account right away. And now you will be able to browse through the various different postings as well as create your very own. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign in to your existing account on Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.